In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Google Classroom banner using Canva. Now, if you're looking to add a personalized touch to your virtual classroom, a custom banner is a great way to start. Canva is a fantastic tool for this task as it offers a user-friendly interface and a wide array of design options. Let's dive right in and get started. First things first, head over to Canva's website. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to sign up, but it's free and a quick process. Once you're logged in, you'll be greeted with the Canva homepage. On the top left corner, you'll see a button labeled Create a Design. Click on that to open up the template search bar. In the search bar, type Google Classroom and press Enter. Canva provides specific templates for Google Classroom banners, which makes this process much easier. You'll see a variety of design options appear before you. Take your time to scroll through these options and find a design that resonates with you or fits the theme of your class. Remember, you can always customize it later, so focus on the general layout and color scheme that you prefer. Once you've found a design that you like, click on it. This will open the editing page. Here, you can begin to make the design your own. Canva's editing tools are quite intuitive. You can change the text by clicking on it and typing in your class name or any other relevant information. You can also adjust the font, size, and color to match your style. Additionally, if you want to add images or icons, Canva has a vast library that you can explore. Simply drag and drop elements onto your design to incorporate them. Feel free to experiment with different elements, but keep in mind the final look you want to achieve. Once you're satisfied with your design, it's time to download it. Look for the Share button located on the top right of the screen. Click on it, and you'll see an option to download your design. Make sure to select the right file type. Typically, a JPEG or PNG format works best for Google Classroom. And there you have it. You've just created a custom banner for your Google Classroom using Canva. This simple process not only enhances the visual appeal of your learning space, but also reflects the unique character of your class. I hope you found this guide helpful and that you're excited to use your new banner. Thank you for watching, and happy designing.